Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate consistent characters in Stable Diffusion. So if you want the same character to appear consistently across multiple images in Stable Diffusion, follow these steps. Method 1. You need to use a detailed prompt. Write a specific prompt describing your characters, like the hair color, length, style, the eye color, outfit, clothing style, accessories, or pose or expression. Then you can reuse the exact prompt in every image generation. And tip, you can add phrases like full body, same character, same outfit, consistent style, same face, or portrait of. Limitation. Even with the same prompt, Stable Diffusion might vary details slightly. And there's a method too. Use a seed number. You need to generate an image and note the seed number used, and reuse the same seed and same prompt to recreate a vary image slightly while keeping the same base features. Method 3. You can use reference image plus ControlNet if it's available. You can upload a reference image in the Image to Image or ControlNet tab and enable the ControlNet using OpenPose, Canny, Tile plus LoRA, and use the prompt and control settings of every image. And you can train the LoRa or Dream Booth. You can use train using platforms like Koya or cloud services like Hugging Face, Invoke AI, Color Collab notebooks, and more. And you can add prompt embeddings. Use custom embeddings to describe very specific traits of your character. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.